What's up, guys? Welcome back to yet another episode of Holahme with Mrs. Candy, and still on the series of collaboration with Gilbert from Tudishi Photography. Today I'll be sharing with you how to make my homemade sauce, which is inspired by the Italian Marinara sauce, but I made some little tweaks to it, so I hope you get to try it out. And when you try it out, remember to tag me on Instagram with your creations of the recipes. I'll link my Instagram page below and also Tudishi's Photography's Instagram page below. So without much further ado, karibuni tuende kazi. So in a pan, add in your oil, followed up by your chopped onions, and fry until a bit keyword golden brown. Then add in your dania stems or parsley stems together with your crushed ginger and garlic. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then add in your blended tomatoes together with your tomato paste. Next, add in your spices and remember to taste to ensure everything is well balanced and the meal is rich in flavor. Then add water, let it simmer until slightly thick. Finally, pour it into your storage container for use later on. So guys, that's it on today's episode of my homemade Italian inspired sauce. So for this sauce, you can use it for up to 3 days after storing it in your fridge, or you can even store it in your freezer for about a week or 2 weeks. And use it, remember to first thaw it and then use it in making many other dishes. You can use it for your rice, for your pasta, for any other dish. Be creative as possible. And remember, you can always tag me with your creations on Instagram at @StaceCandy and I'll be sure to share it out. So let me know what you loved about this recipe, what you'd want to see me prepare, and what other collaborations or people you'd want me to collaborate with in the future or in the coming episodes. But we haven't finished this episode yet, where we're collaborating with Tudishi Photography. Still check out next week's episode, where I'll be sharing another recipe we made with him. So be on the lookout. So if you haven't subscribed, remember to click the button below to subscribe and the bell notification to get notified whenever I post anything new over here on the channel. So thank you so much and have a lovely day. Remember to stay home, keep safe, and protect yourself. Thank you so much. Kwaheri. Remember to keep it healthy and life and active hours on meals at all times.